Today, June 20. Start mga 4:15. So, mga 1 hour. 5:15 kami dumating sa Bantog, no? Bantog. Destination ng Bantog. So, okay lang. Sa God is good all the time, no? Exercise basta maayo gid, strong. Wow, it's very hard. Bike ka, kung way ka mag-practice, panakit na lang katawan mo, sakit mga katawan. God is good, kid, really good. Okay guys, today, okay, see you later.